Click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger. Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are going to talk about a discount broker My Value Trade. We'll be talking about its review, and in this video we'll be talking about the company background, the pricing, exposure, trading products, trading platforms, customer service, and some other features that can help you to figure out whether a discount broker such as My Value Trade is a suitable one for you or not. Let's get started. So My Value Trade entered into the discount broking space in the year 2012. Now they are backed up by a financial group that has been around for a while now, in fact couple of decades or even more than that. But with My Value Trade, they pivoted towards discount broking recently in the year 2012. They offer you multiple fixed brokerage plans that gives an idea that they are highly suitable for heavy traders or medium traders who are paying off high brokerage charges to other stockbrokers, and in place of that they've come up with fixed brokerage plan stuff wherein you don't need to worry about your overall brokerage. You can do unlimited trading by paying a specific amount. They offer you high exposure as well, especially at intraday, and the trading platforms are an area which is concerning. It is okayish in nature, but certainly there is a lot of room that can be improved in case of My Value Trade. We'll start with trading products. Well, if you are a client or want to be a client of My Value Trade, you can trade or invest in equity, commodity, currency, derivatives, and mutual funds. Now, this is not a long list. It's definitely a limited one, in fact. But you have to figure out whether your preferential trading products are already in the list or not. If they are not, in that particular case, you have to open up a different account with any other financial house for getting your investment needs done. In terms of their trading platforms, well, they've got a presence across devices. We'll talk with the mobile app first, and for that we should go ahead and check out the Google Play Store page of My Value Trade. So we'll start with the mobile app at Google Play Store. It's called MVT Mobile. So My Value Trade, abbreviated as MVT. Now this is honestly one of the worst performing applications we have seen in India for trading. So this is rated at 2.9 by around 29 users. Not a huge sample size to make a judgment objectively, but still, if you look at the ratings, around 40% of the users have rated this app negatively. Not a good thing at all. So it's not a good start. At the same time, if you look at the focus of My Value Trade themselves, look at the date here. The last update was done in the year 2015. Well, that is more than 2 years. In fact, yeah, close to 2 years, not more than 2 years, but close to 2 years that this app has seen an update. I'm very sure that there are two things now. One, clients have stopped downloading and installing this application. Two, My Value Trade has forgotten that they got this application a couple of years back, and they have absolutely removed all kinds of memory of it, because certainly if you know what kind of platforms you are offering to the clients, you'll certainly update them on a regular basis. Regular, it's a strong word looking at the number here, but 2015 is really laughable looking at the focus they have on technology. And looking at some of the reviews here, we could not find any customer whatsoever, but looking at the reviews here of some of the users here, the concerns are all over the map here. Now the concerns with the performance, the number of features, the usability, the user experience, charting feature, OTP related issues, whatever concern you can think of that can be present in a trading application, you will find it here. So My Value Trade is certainly an app that you should not be wasting your time or some of the megabytes of your internet connection while downloading it. Don't do that. Do not even think of trading through My Value Trade's mobile application. However, we'll take a check out on the other trading applications. We'll see if there is anything worth that can be looked at. So for that, we need to check out digitalblogger.com. So they've got a couple of other options for you. They've got a desktop-based terminal application that can be downloaded and installed onto your computer. Now MVT Trader, which is the terminal-based software, Well, it gives you actually multiple kinds of feature for technical analysis. They've got more than 40 technical indicators. They've done a unique feature, something called social media integration within the trading application, where you can check out the Twitter feed of your account within the trading tool. Not sure what value that provides, but they've done that. At the same time, you can see some data figures for 52-week high, low, top gainers, top losers of the day. They have integration with some of the business channels within the trading application, which are live in nature. You can check out and understand the perspective of different traders, different experts on TV while using the trading application as well. So there are multiple personalization and customization features available too. You can set up alerts, notifications for you as per your preferences. So it's pretty good. Number of features are good too. Usability level is also fine. User experience, we are not sure. So as of now, it can be said that yeah, it can be used for your trading on a regular basis. We are not sure of the performance or speed. So if you are an intraday trader, well, you can wait for a bit before we actually go and recommend it for you. Then they've got a browser-based application called MVT Classic. For that, you need to go to the website, click on logging, and then select online trading, and wherein you just need to put in some details such as username and password, and you can start trading. Now there are some security concerns, however they put in SSO, single sign-on there, so that kind of limits and allows some sort of flexibility there. It is compatible and flexible across multiple browsers, so you can use it across Internet Explorer, Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, no concerns there. But it is not responsive in nature, which should be the case, because look at the competition out there, and we're talking about discount broking firms which are putting in a lot of effort these days, especially in their trading applications. And then we see these kinds of examples, applications which are not responsive. This is really strange. Now you are limited to just use it onto your laptop or desktop, but then you have a better choice of doing that. If you're going to use your laptop or desktop, why don't you use MVT Trader, which is much more exhaustive in nature and also performing or gives you all kinds of features. So yeah, MVT Classic is good, but if you're going to use a desktop or a laptop, then you better use MVT Trader. We already talked about the MVT mobile application, which is a no-go place for you for your trading. So out of these trading applications, 3 trading applications from My Value Trade, we will recommend you to go ahead and use MVT Trader for your regular trading. Then in terms of pricing, you need to pay 555 rupees to open an account with them. If you want to open a commodity account as well, there is a separate fees of additional 555 rupees. You have to pay 400 rupees to maintain your account with them. And as far as brokerage is concerned, they've got a couple of plans for you. Either you can go ahead with a fixed brokerage plan where you need to pay 10 rupees per executed order. Then there are some monthly plans which you can opt for. For that, we need to go back to our digital blogger. So you can see here that there is a plan of 1000 rupees which is valid for 1 month. And you can put in unlimited trades without any cap whatsoever on the number of trades or on the amount of trading capital you put on the stock market. If you can commit for a longer period, then they have a yearly plan as well, available at 10,000 rupees instead of 12,000. So you save a couple of months there, and by that you just can trade for the whole year without paying any additional brokerage charges across the segments using My Value Trade services. From that perspective, certainly it's a good sort of a place for trading, wherein you don't really have to worry about your brokerage charges. But this generally suits the users who are trading heavily, or at least the medium level, not the beginners kind. So if you're a beginner, then we're pretty sure that you will not be paying 1000 rupees total brokerage anyway. So in that particular case, you can leave that particular thing. But if you are a medium to heavy trader, then yes, it's a good choice for you. We talk about exposure or leverage. For people who don't understand the concept, basically it's a kind of a short-term loan where your stockbroker provides you and allows you to trade more than your trading capital. For example, in case you have 10,000 in your trading account balance, you can trade up to 3.3 lakh rupees, because My Value Trade offers you 33 times, up to 33 times of exposure value in equity intraday segment. In other segment, it's more of a disappointment, nothing there. But if you are a regular trader, if you're trading on an intraday level every day, then this is the place for you if you're looking for high exposure values. Obviously you'll have to return this value back to your stockbroker at a specific interest rate, which varies at around 15-20% on a yearly basis. But you have to be very cautious while using exposure as a concept on a practical level. So these are different areas here. Finally, we will talk about the positives and negatives of opening an account with My Value Trade. We'll start from the beginning for this. So like we discussed, it gives you multiple brokerage plans, so that is certainly a positive. High exposure, we've already talked about. Trading products, not a big range for you, but well, it still covers most of the prominent trading products in the market. Trading platforms, especially the mobile app, is a no-go. Do not use it. Web trading application is also an area which can be improved in terms of responsiveness, speed, and overall performance. You can check out their terminal-based software, MVT Trader. Then pricing, it's pretty expensive for a discount broker. Honestly, we have seen other brokers which either charge initially upfront, but they kind of settle it with the brokerage charges. But in case of My Value Trade, the values are pretty high. Brokerage plans are pretty decent in terms of the flexibility. They got a 10 rupees per executed order and monthly and yearly plans. Exposure value, like we discussed, is high. So we've talked about positive and negative together in this particular video for My Value Trade. Now it's up to your preferences, your requirements, and based on that you can make a choice whether to go ahead with this or not. However, if you're looking to have a word with the executive of My Value Trade, what you can do is check out this link, digitalblogger.com/myvaluetrade, open limit account, put in your details there, and we will be setting up a call back for you absolutely free. However, if you're looking for a stockbroker that matches exactly with your preferences, or you are not sure which stockbroker to go ahead with, what you can do is check out the other link, digitalblogger.com/free call back broker choice, put in your details there, and we will be setting up a call back for you absolutely free with the best stockbroker in the country right now. So this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Digital Blogger, at YouTube for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching the video again. Bye bye.